Hey y'all, without change, there is no growth. Today is Sunday. Y'all, I got my clothes on. It's a windy, feel good type of day. Look, let me show y'all that little outfit of the day. Here we go, y'all. So I have on this pullover. It's like a knit. Let me show y'all. It's like a knit, dark blue and like a sailor type of look, beachy look. It's called Amelia Island, Florida, 1840. The Sunshine State. Yes, it's one of my pullovers. Has a hoodie. I have on some black, regular black tights. I love tights. Black socks. Yep. And my shoes. Hold on. My slides. This is what she's giving today. And I got a blue pullover, like undershirt, dark blue undershirt up under here. So it's a navy sailor, beachy type of vibe. It's windy today, so that's what I'm going for. But anyway, let's check outside, y'all. I've been outside earlier today. It feels amazing. It's a little rainy, but it's windy. And y'all, look at my babies. Look at y'all nieces and nephews, honey. Yes, my plants are outside getting the sun. I love that for y'all. It's been a couple of days, baby, growing. Y'all see that? Y'all see the green? I got to work on my aloe, but no water. I did a dip today, a dip bath today for the greens and the pothos. But yeah. Y'all look at Cleo. No sir. Y'all know Cleo wants that window up. That's what he want. He want his window up. But we about to go. Let me fill up my ice cup. So we got to go, most definitely. I'm cooking my liver today. Y'all, I got to get it. I got my liver out. I'm making that today. Liver, rice, green beans, sweet peas, something, corn. I don't know. But I'm making liver today. I need some protein and also iron. Look at Cleo, y'all. He wants his window up, honey. But we about to go, so I don't leave the window up when I leave home, baby. I'm all over the place, y'all. I got so much on my plate. But honey, too much is given, much is required. So I'm for the challenge. Y'all book y'all conjure candles. Book your works. Book your jars. Book your oils. Booking galore. Let me fill up my cup. Get my water in. Y'all get y'all water in. I drank my cup of coffee this morning. I want me an iced coffee. But let me get some water in me. I took my vitamins. Ooh, let me take my Mary Ruths. My husband think he sleep, y'all. This is the new bottle. Haven't even opened it yet. But, y'all, this is linked in my showcase. Go get you a bottle if you have not tried it. Go get you a bottle for yourself. So you can try it. It gives me energy for sure. My hair growth, well, y'all don't never really see that, but you will soon. I got curly hair, y'all. But my hair growth has been so thick. I could tell it's changed. The shedding has changed. But yeah, linked in my bio. Pay the price. This is my second bottle. I'm not going to put a shopping cart below because this is a regular video, but it is in my showcase. You must refrigerate after opening. Yeah. Done. All right. Very windy day. We're about to head out. We got to take the trash. Baby, I've been having trash is about every 2-3 days over this way. and I mean bags, because of my business. But what else? I'm coming back to do my custom chicken feet. Y'all make sure you do your spiritual forms. If you do any Conjure candles bookings today, you may flow to the next live. Just depends, you know. Y'all know I like to do pre-orders. The ones that booked yesterday, you most definitely will be dressed today, unless you have not did your spiritual form, or it's just one of them that I take about 0 to 3 days. Conjure candles will be done. If you book the intimate works, it's going to take a couple of days. I did have to order some more gender candles, but it is done. Just waiting on that shipment to arrive. What else? That's it. So I'll be through a little later, y'all. Let's get it popping. Go on and book your Conjure candles. Book the things you need for your life right now. Because y'all know energy is ever changing. I'll talk to y'all later. Drink your water. Bye.